Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we'll be exploring the selling module, specifically the contact tool. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create contacts in Parsimony. Let's get started. Let's begin by accessing the selling module from the Parsimony dashboard. Click on the selling module to proceed. Here, you'll find the selling function, a tool designed to streamline your customer relationship management processes. This tool will empower you to manage contacts, communication, and interactions efficiently. From the selling dashboard, you'll see a menu that corresponds to different aspects of managing contacts. Now, click Contact under Settings. From basic details like name and address to more advanced information, this is your hub for managing comprehensive contact profiles. To create a new contact, click on the Add Contact button. Here, you can enter all information about your contacts, including personal data, status, contact details, and references. Enter first name and last name. Enter contact details like email, phone, etc. In the reference portion, you can select the link document type and link name. You can check as primary contact to indicate the preferred contact when you have multiple contacts. The primary contact will be chosen automatically in transactions like sales orders and sales invoices. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the contact. The Sellings as Contact tool within Parsimony is your key to efficient contact management, communication tracking, task organization, and targeted marketing. You're now equipped to make the most of this powerful tool. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. You've learned how to add contacts in the selling tool of Parsimony. Thank you for watching.